Turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Remove the platform plate. Unscrew the 4 screws, fixing the heated bed kit. Remove the heated bed kit. Remove the Y-axis cover plate. Loosen to adjustment screws and unscrew the left screw. Release the belt tension and tighten the screws clockwise. Unscrew the 3 screws, securing the belt fasteners. Take out the belt with tools. Remove the 2 belt clips. Remove the old belt. Replaced with a new belt. Install the belt clips left clipper, right clippy. Install belt fasteners left side A, right side B. Install the belt fasteners and tighten the 3 screws. Adjust the belt tension by turning the tension screw counterclockwise. Move the heated bed plate back and forth 3 times. Lock the tension screw. Install the Y-axis cover plate. Install the heated bed kit, align the slots, and install in place. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the platform plate. Keep the tool head and heated bed centered. Manually press down the X-axis to make the nozzle touch the printing plate. Keep the vertical position of the X-axis unchanged, and gently move the heated bed and tool head. Move the printing plate to align the tool head to the front right, then tighten the screws at the corresponding position. After tightening, move to the rear and tighten the screws at the corresponding position. Move the tool head to the left. The operation of the two screws is the same as that on the right. Manual leveling is completed after all screws are tightened. Clean sweat or fingerprints on the platform plate. Plug in the power cord and power on the machine. Click Help, Maintenance, Calibration. Select All and start calibration. Wait for the machine to finish automatic calibration.